biggest of three numbers using conditional operator in C language. So in general, biggest of three numbers, biggest of two numbers, we use if else if ladder, but here so we have program using conditional operator. Biggest of three numbers, conditional operator or ternary operator. Look at line number 1 is hash include stdio.h is called pre-processor directive. stdio.h is header file, standard input output. Line number 3 void main. No confusion regarding these type of things. Either you can use int main or void main. As you know, the program execution always begins with main in C language. If you use int main, and you must use return 0 as the last line in the program, as the last statement. If you are using void main, no need of using return 0. So how many variables we have? We have 4 variables, A, B, C, big, and we use scanf statement. Scanf to read the data from keyboard. Look at line number 8. A greater than B. So how conditional operator works? Condition, question mark, statement, colon, statement. If the condition is true, the statement after question mark will be executed. If the condition is false, the statement after colon will be executed. Look at the condition A greater than B. If A greater than B is true, brackets are opened. Look at the parenthesis. Inside we have A greater than C. So if A greater than B means true, means A is the biggest. And inside we are comparing A greater than C. If it is true, then A is the biggest. A greater than B true and A greater than C means true, means A is the biggest. A greater than B is true, but A greater than C is false, means C is the biggest. Look at inside, colon C. So we have another colon after the bracket, closing bracket. You come to this area. So this is the part where A greater than B false. If A greater than B false, you come to this area. So where we have B greater than C. A greater than B false means B greater than A, and B greater than C true means B is the biggest, otherwise C is the biggest.